The Specter is changing the meaning of affordable performance. At least, that's what they say on their website. It's a bold claim. The Specter was intended to give ordinary enthusiasts a Formula One-like experience, with an open cockpit, open wheel, low-weight component car, which is sold as a do-it-yourself project. But with plenty of other affordable exoskeleton-style kit cars on the market, like the DF Goblin and Exomotive Exoset, is the Specter really worth building? The kit car made its debut around 2015 in Encino, California. Headed by a team of engineering graduates from the University of California, founders Sharango Kundu and Adam Sapero have an extensive background in the aerospace and mechanical engineering industries. They've been longtime car enthusiasts and even worked with Formula E and Formula SAE racing teams. They tested the Specter kit for over 10,000 miles before bringing it to market, along with hundreds of hours of computer simulation. Like other kits in its class, the Specter is built on a tubular steel spaceframe chassis. It uses bushings, bearings, and linkages from other production cars to ensure longevity. But the structural frame itself is hand-welded in-house by Specter Motor Works and completely custom. It forgoes a full cage in favor of a simple roll bar, keeping the final weight to a mere 1,450 pounds. The 98-inch wheelbase is just a little less than a Corvette, but the shorter front and rear overhangs make it a much more compact package. The motor is mounted directly above the rear axle, creating a mid-rear engine layout with a 40-60 weight distribution. All 4 tires are kept on the road with a dual wishbone pushrod coilover system, with available electronically controlled active suspension. They offer the kit with sensors that monitor the wheel position to make 1,000 adjustments per second, improving stability and handling. But other than that, there are no electronic aids. It's got manual brakes, manual steering, and no traction control. And with a ground clearance of just 4.5 inches, you'll be extra close to the road, creating a visceral experience. But the exterior is where the Specter truly departs from its rivals. The prototype car had a stripped-back look with no body panels whatsoever. The first set of completed builds, called the Mark I, had a simple fiberglass design. But for the final production model, Specter Motor Works decided to offer a full carbon fiber body. Lightweight and strong carbon fiber parts are notoriously difficult to manufacture, often requiring expensive equipment like an autoclave. But thanks to the simple, flat panels of the Specter's bodywork, they're able to offer a gloss coat exposed carbon design. These sections consist of an aggressive vented hood, geometric side pod, and elevated rear deck lid. And to my knowledge, it's the only carbon fiber kit car ever sold. Underneath all that carbon fiber is a Ford crate engine. The Specter is designed to take a 4-cylinder EcoBoost motor, which is shared with the Ford Focus and entry-level Mustangs. That means your options include the 250 horsepower, 2-liter turbocharged engine from the Focus ST and a 310 horsepower, 2.3-liter unit from the Mustang. With such a low curb weight, either one should be more than adequate in this kit, although the new chassis will only fit Ford's 6-speed manual transmission. Unfortunately, the price for a new Specter is a lot higher than other exoskeleton kits. DF sells the Goblin V2 for around $12,000, and the Exomotive Exoset starts at just $8,000 prior to assembly. But the Specter Motor Works kit is much closer to Ariel Atom territory, with a starting price tag of $45,000. They do say that it's street legal in many countries around the world, and even smog compliant for its home state of California. But does the unique carbon fiber exterior really make it worth the extra cost? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to subscribe to see more kit cars like this. Thanks for watching.